video, I'm going to show you the AgencyAI platform and explore some of the features and the benefits that your customers would get from this. So once they come in, they get to see the dashboard. We have a simple onboarding screen here, some statistics and some links to navigate to other aspects of the app. So here we've created the 4 core tools for an agency, which is the DFI setup that helps them set up an agency with selectable services anytime they want. A gig finder for them to find gigs for services that they can offer using AI. AI service agent, we have like professional services, and then a business manager for them to manage their service as they improve. Now, so these are the 4 core areas. We also have some extra features, but I would quickly run through the 4 core features. Now, for the first part, which is the DFI agency setup. So what we've done here is a simple form, and that will just take them through so they can put in their agency name here, put in notification, and then we have some custom JavaScript that they can add logos and the rest. Now, once they're done, they move to the next phase, which is services. So what we've done here, we've preloaded this with over a shit ton of services that they can offer. So what they need to do at any time, they can customize what services they need to display on their account. So they can select this, and once they come in here, they can decide to change the name, to change the description of that service as they want. So with this, they can customize any service or the outlook of their agency as they wish. Once they're done with that, they click on next, and then at this point they get to add testimonials, and from testimonials they go to website content. For the website content, we already have content already inbuilt, so they can just customize all these content areas with their own as they wish. And once you're done, they go through this process, and at the end they can put in their contact details. And once that is done, they simply get to a part where they select one of our templates, and then this gives them their own branded agency. So each time they want to create an agency, they can simply come in here, do all of this, select the type of services that they want to deliver. Now, once they have that, ideally the next phase is getting their jobs. So they can simply come in here and maybe search for copywriting services. Ideally, it will ask for your location, and once you have your location setting, there will be a list of drop down here, but I didn't enable that for this stuff. So I'm just going to click on copywriting to get results for copywriting. Okay, so we can see copywriting stuff. So some of them, they are contract stuff. So this is like 0 days ago. So this is like a copywriter contractor. So they can simply come in here, select this, and then contact those vendors to deliver those services. Now, what we've done here is we've tried to populate all of this with the most popular services that they can offer using AI, just so that they can get the most. So this is just like a way for them to get jobs anytime they wish. Now, once they get the jobs, how do you deliver these services? So that's where we've created AI service agents. So these act like AI professionals that are dedicated to do specific tasks. So they can simply come in here, get to this guy, say this is a copywriter, and then they can simply run a simple search here. And then we've also added done for you prompt heavily. So they don't need to think about those. They simply click on copy this and then paste it here, and then run the query. So once that is run, the system comes back with a result. Yeah. Now we are also improving on our prompt, but we have prompts for different stuff like this now. Generating article about, say, AI marketing for business. So they simply use this prompt to get responses from the AI, and then once they have those responses, they can download those responses as a PDF, Microsoft, like a Word document, or simply just copy that. So each time they have all of this stuff, they don't need to look for a way to deliver. We have all of this service. And once they have all of this set up, the next part ideally is the agency manager. So this is where we have our, for us to get this right, we actually had to do this in a standalone app for this. So they simply do that on the main account, and then once they log into this get a robust management tool that they to deliver or to manage their agency app. So this helps them manage their clients, their employees, their project invoices, even down to collecting payment. So not only can they manage their finance, their finance, manage their project, they can also set up billing settings for Stripe. They can connect Stripe, send invoice, and those invoices can be paid directly using the app. So this is a very rich of the system anyways, but it gives them every single aspect that they need to scale. So even if this is a business doing how many thousand clients, they can manage all of those clients and the leads, their hit work. They can even track all of this stuff using the agency manager. Now with these four core features here, we essentially have the core aspects of running an agency using Agency AI. So once again, they use this to set up an agency. They use the gig finder to find jobs, and they use the service agent to deliver those services. And as they grow, they use the business manager to manage their business. So there's a whole lot of features right here, but this is just like an overview to show you what the app does.